To integrate Afterpay with your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Settings section. Click on Payments. Then select Alternative Payment Methods. Here you will see a list of available payment gateways, including Afterpay. If you don't see Afterpay, you can search for it in the Shopify App Store and install it. Once you have installed the Afterpay app, you will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the sign-up process. You will need to provide some basic business information and agree to the terms and conditions. After completing the sign-up process, you will receive an email from Afterpay with a link to activate your account. Click on this link and follow the prompts to activate your account. Once your account is activated, you can configure the Afterpay payment method in your Shopify store. This includes setting the payment method name, description, and logo. You can also customize the payment method to fit your store's brand and style. To complete the integration, you will need to configure the payment settings in your Shopify store. This includes setting the payment gateway, currency, and payment thresholds. Afterpay offers a range of features and settings that you can use to customize the payment method to fit your store's needs. For example, you can set up payment plans, customize the payment button, and track payments and orders. It is also important to test the payment method to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by placing a test order and verifying that the payment is processed successfully. Finally, it is a good idea to review the Afterpay terms and conditions and ensure that you understand the fees and charges associated with using the payment method. This will help you to avoid any unexpected costs and ensure that you are using the payment method in compliance with the terms and conditions. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Afterpay with your Shopify store and start offering your customers a new payment option. This can help to increase sales and improve the overall customer experience.